Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on GH TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
Once again, we've lost a police officer to a gunshot. Me, Afia Schwarzenegger, in honor of my late father, Chief Inspector Kwache, I will not baby continue. Police for who hear me. Because me business, and then my partners were giving out bulletproof jackets. So I single-handedly solicited for bulletproof jackets. And my Ghana police at the sample by Ghana, me did 2 DHL buy Ekoyi with DHL. And until the sample, the come out police force say, Monko tested bulletproof way. Now say, yeah, I've got more than 20,000 copies. Pieces of the paper chroma. My anti-police phone can be because that time they will be agent say me NDC ni enti me bed and when I'm NDC. When you your police for, who will watch and say, Mu divya nam de bikanamusa. Corruption.